Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I want to show how to easily remove the cap from the new Diamond Art Club diamond painting pen. So this is the new pen that Diamond Art Club are putting in their kits as standard. It replaces what we are used to, this type of thing, where we have the nylon tip with the brass insert, and what we do is we dip this into the pink wax and then we can pick up drills. Once it stops picking up, we have to refill the tip with pink wax again. So this is now obsolete as far as Diamond Art Club are concerned. They have switched over to this new pen, which is totally different. And I know that people have been having problems. They're not sure how to take the tip off of the pen. I've got the tray here because I'm on a tilted table, and if I don't have the tray here, that's what happens. So the tip of the pen looks like this. So it has these flat edges, and you might think you have to screw it off. You don't, you have to pull it. So if you have the pen, you've just got it and you think, right, okay, I pull it, you probably would go like this and grab the tip and pull and pull and pull. That is pretty hard to get off, but it means that when it's pushed on, it doesn't fall off, so it keeps the putty clean. And I found that when I first did it, the first thing I did was try to twist it off. Because it's got these straight edges. I'm not exactly sure what they're for, because if it was a bit bigger, it would mean that if I lay the pen on the slanted table, it would sit on these edges and it would stop the pen from rolling. And initially I thought that's what it was for, until I put it down and then it rolled. So then I tried to pull the tip off and it was pretty hard. But I've realised that instead of doing it that way, if you turn the pen pointing up the way, put your finger behind the tip, put your thumb under it, and just push up with your thumb, it pops off. So I'll do it again, if I can get it back on. Is it back on? Just push up with my thumb, and your finger stops it from shooting off as well or falling. So I found, for me anyway, that is a lot easier than trying to actually pull the tip that way. So just put your finger behind it, put your thumb under it, push up, and it comes off. That is all I wanted to show in this video, because I see a lot of people asking questions about it. So that is the first thing. When you get the pen, turn it, hold it like that, pop it off, nice and easy. So that's it. So that is how I easily remove the cap from the new Diamond Art Club diamond painting pen. Initially, as I said, the first thing I did was I tried to twist it off. Because it has those straight edges, it just gives you the impression you're meant to unscrew. That isn't how you do it. Then I tried to pull it, and I found it was really tight. I was beginning to think I was doing the wrong thing, and then suddenly it popped off, and I thought, okay, that's how you take it off, but it can be pretty difficult to get it to come off. And then after messing about for a while, I realised that if you turn the pen so it's pointing up the way, put your finger behind it, put your thumb underneath, and just press up with your thumb, it just comes off. A lot easier than trying to actually pull the tip. So that's definitely easier for me, and I thought I would just make this little video. If you're in that situation, you've just got the pen and you're thinking, how do I get this off? I don't want to break the pen. Hopefully it works for you. Please let me know. And that's it. Surprisingly, I am doing a short video. If you want to see any more diamond painting videos, unboxings, unbaggings, comparisons, sneak peeks, first looks, that sort of thing, I have a lot of videos to come in the near future. I've just been struggling to find time to get them recorded, but you can expect quite a few very soon. So if you enjoyed the video and you're looking for more things to watch, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you do that, you may also catch me live on YouTube Live. I do random lives. I don't have set days and times, it's just when I can fit it in. But if you hit the notification button, you'll get a little message, and maybe you could drop in and just say hi. Let me know where you are in the world, what you're working on, what your favourite diamond painting is. That's always interesting. So if you're interested, you know where I am. So thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.